Hello, I'm Chef Neil, and today I will be preparing this dish, seabass in saffron broth. I will be very cautious on calories, so it will be a good healthy dish for you. I will start my preparation by filleting the seabass. For this process, it's very important that you have a knife like this. It's a flexible knife, so you are flexible with the fish fillet and you can fillet it properly. Start from the back. All to the other side. And up again to the front. I will leave the fillet in place and turn it to the other side. This makes it easier to clean it from the other side. Once we have the fish filleted, we can use the bones to make a good fish stock. So we start by putting in the bones. Okay, then we add some mirepoix onions, some carrots, leeks, and also some dill. And I'm gonna clean also the yellow pepper to cut the vegetables in julienne. Julienne meaning in fine strips. I have already cleaned up the carrots using the trimmings for the stock, and now I'm cutting the carrots as needed for the recipe. I'm not gonna use the yellow pepper trimmings for the stock, only the carrot and leeks trimmings. While I have previously added also some onions, and I'm gonna add some garlic as well. As you may have noticed, I have used the green chopping board while cutting veg and the blue chopping board while cutting or preparing the fish. It is very important to prevent cross-contamination. Now put the stock on low heat. We're gonna saute in little olive oil. Then we're gonna add some water and leave it to simmer for 45 minutes. There's no need to leave it more because when doing fish stock, in 45 minutes you have the full flavor of the fish. While having the stock simmering for 45 minutes, I'm gonna start by chopping the onions and garlic to prepare the saffron broth. Once the vegetables are chopped, I'm gonna also chop some fresh dill. Then I'm gonna simmer on low heat until the vegetables becomes transparent, softens. Once the vegetables becomes transparent, I'm gonna add the saffron and toss. Stir well. Then I'm gonna add the white wine. Bring to the boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna use the stock to boil the vegetables in. Actually, blanch. Blanch meaning put in boiling water, then back in cold. Today I'm gonna boil not in boiling water, but in stock. Therefore, I'm gonna get the flavors of the fish stock. I'm gonna put the heat on high to have the stock boiling again. So it will blanch properly and have the nice color in the vegetables. Once I see it boiling, I'm gonna put in the vegetables, just 1 minute, then into cold water to cool immediately. Once the vegetable becomes bright in color, I'm gonna put it back in cold water. We're gonna poach the seabass fillet into the fish stock. So we're gonna use this method. I'm gonna use this cling fin, open it this way. Then I'm gonna place the seabass. I'm gonna clean a bit to reduce the thickness and to make it more evenly. Obviously some pepper and little salt. Then I'm gonna roll it this way. Okay. And then roll it this way. Make a knot on the ends. And we're gonna poach it into the fish stock. While the fish is poaching, I have this already clean potatoes. I'm gonna slice this this way. Very important to have them same thickness. And then I'm gonna use this apple corer to cut potatoes in circle shape this way. I'm gonna then poach this circular potatoes in this stock as well. I will be using the stock also to top up my saffron broth and leave it always simmering to also increase in flavor. Once the sea bass is cooked through, leave it approximately 2 to 3 minutes before opening it from the stretch and seal slowly. And we can serve it in the middle of the plate. We're gonna serve the broth on the side. Here you go. Easy process, right? And most important, a nice healthy dish. Enjoy it.
Hi, so today we are going to prepare a no-bake healthy bar with oats, coconuts, the most basic ingredients, and with peanut butter. So we're going to start to prepare our recipe. So first we put the peanut butter. This is a very good healthy bar. It doesn't take long so that you can prepare it, about 10 minutes. We put the honey. Some vanilla. We mix. Then we add the oats, coconuts, almonds, and salt. So what we are going to do now, we're going to place the mix that we did into a small stainless steel container or what you have at home. We're going to paste it so that it will be easily then cut into small bars. So now we have it ready as a bar. So what we need to do now is to leave it a little bit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then we are going to put the top coat with dark chocolate and peanut. Okay. So now we have our healthy bar ready from the fridge, as I said before, for 30 minutes. What we are going to do now is going to put a top coat of chocolate and peanut butter so that we have a cover up and also a good look and something tasty. So our healthy bar is ready, and you can start enjoying it with your family or friends. Thank you.